Welcome to this presentation of I Will Achieve Weight Loss Success Guided Meditation. Sit comfortably and choose a position that you can maintain comfortably for the duration of this meditation. Close your eyes now and lay your palms face down in your lap. Now take a deep, cleansing breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and allow your stomach to expand. Push it out of your mouth. Force it out with power. Now repeat the process, taking a deep breath in and pushing it out. And again, take a deep breath in and push a deep breath out. At the end of this third exhale, allow your breathing to resume at a normal pace. Continue breathing in through your nose and out of your mouth. With your focus on your breath, I want you to listen carefully and accept the following. Weight loss is not about your body. There is more to weight loss. With your heart and mind, you can be free of what society says your body should look like, and love and accept yourself as you are. The right shape and weight aren't based on society. It should be about connecting to your inner self and finding unconditional love for your body as it is. Once you achieve this, you will find it easier to shift your body to a size and shape that fits you. You don't need to obsess over the numbers. When you instill yourself with confidence, weight loss becomes a natural result of self-love, and it is about connecting it to your body's natural state. Let that awareness travel to your core and into the root chakra at the base of your spine. All of the awareness should focus here. As you focus more attention on this spot, you see a sphere of light. It's blindingly bright and anchors you to the surface. You have never felt more secure. You have never felt more protected. Breathe through this moment and bathe in the love and acceptance the sphere of light has brought. You can feel the awareness spreading throughout your body, resting in the center of your chest. With this space full, you feel fully connected. You are overwhelmed with love of self, and you can feel it thrumming through you. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes. You accept your body as it is, but you welcome the highest path possible for it. It isn't to squeeze into jeans or impress others. It's about showing your body love in the way you treat it. Repeat after me. I will achieve weight loss success because I do it for me. I will achieve weight loss success because I love my body. I will achieve weight loss success because I love myself. Breathe deeply. It feels good, doesn't it? It is freeing to see weight loss differently. You may now bring awareness back to the present. Take as long as you need before you open your eyes and return to your day. Wiggle your fingers and toes. You can return to this meditation as often as you need to, whether it's once daily or even as a motivational tool you return to several times a day. When you are ready, you can return to your day. Be well.